Hello dear students. Today we will start Essay 1 syllabus of your English language book. Okay, we have done synonyms, antonyms, genders and homonyms. These all are included in Essay 1. Now we will start from your book, English language book, and your first chapter of Essay 1 is chapter number 4, adjectives. Right? So you can open page number 17 from your book. You can open it and try to understand what are adjectives, right? Adjective is a word which describes or gives more meaning or which describe or gives more information about a noun or pronoun. अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग एडजेक्टिव इज अ वर्ड, एक ऐसा वर्ड है विच डिस्क्राइब्स, जो बताता है, डिस्क्राइब करता है, और गिव्स या फिर हमें देता है मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन ओके अबाउट अ नाउन और प्रोनाउन, किसी नाउन या प्रोनाउन के बारे में जो हमें डिस्क्राइब करता है. डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स आर नोन एज एडजेक्टिव्स, राइट? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ब्यूटिफुल फ्लावर. सो हेयर फ्लावर is a noun and the word beautiful describes the flower. What kind of flower? Beautiful flower. Second example is big house. Here the noun is house and the word big describes that house more. Like which kind of house? We can say big house. Okay. So adjective is a word which describes or gives more information about a noun or pronoun. Understood? See, there are some of the examples. With the help of these examples, you can understand it. Number 1 example, Sita is a clever girl. So here, the noun is Sita and the girl also. And if we are saying Sita is a clever girl, so we can ask the question, girl of what kind? So easily the answer will be girl of what kind? Clever. Understood? Second example is I don't like that boy. So which boy? We can say which boy. So the answer will be that boy. So the word that describes the boy. That is why that is an adjective. In the first statement, clever is an adjective. Why? Just because the word clever describes more about Sita or about the girl. Okay. Next is he gave me 5 mangoes. He gave me 5 mangoes. How many mangoes we can question? So the answer will be 5 mangoes. 5. Okay. So the word 5 describes the mangoes. So that 5 is adjective. Next is there is little time for preparation. So how much time? If we ask how much time, then the answer will be little. Okay. So the word little describes more about the preparation, about the time. So the word little is adjective here. Understood? Again I'm repeating. In statement number 1, clever shows what kind of girl Sita is. Or in other words, clever describes the girl Sita. So the clever is an adjective. In sentence 2, that, the word that points out which boy is meant. Okay, so the word that is adjective here. In statement number 3, 5 shows how many mangoes he gave me? 5. So that is why 5 is an adjective. And in statement number 4, little shows how much time there is for preparation. The word little is an adjective. Okay. Again I'm repeating or I'm telling you the definition of adjective, a word used with a noun to describe or point out the person, animal, place or thing which the noun names, or to tell the number or quantity. Means first is quality or otherwise it describing the quantity. These all words are known as adjectives. Okay, from your book, look at your book. We know describing words are called adjectives. Adjective means added to. We are adding something with the noun or pronoun. So adjective means added to. They are so called because they add something to the meaning of a noun. क्योंकि ये नाउन के मीनिंग में कुछ ऐड कर रहे हैं, दैट इज वाई दीज आर नोन एज एडजेक्टिव, राइट. Adjectives are of various kinds. Here we will describe 5 kinds according to your book. There are number 1 adjectives of quality, adjectives of quantity or number, demonstrative adjectives, interrogative adjectives, possessive adjective. Okay, so first one about the adjective of quality. It tell about the quality of the noun. जब नाउन की क्वालिटी को शो किया जा रहा है, दैट टाइप ऑफ एडजेक्टिव इज नोन एज एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वालिटी. ओके, और इन अदर वर्ड्स वी कैन से एडजेक्टिव्स, we can say adjective of quality, or we can also say it descriptive adjective. It show the kind of quality of a person or a thing. Okay, here I'm giving you 2 examples. Number 1 is Calcutta is a large city. So which kind of city? The word large answers your question. The word large is adjective of quality. It tells the quality of the city. That city is large. So the word large is adjective here. Second example is he is an honest man. Listen carefully. He is an honest man. Which kind of man he is? So the answer is honest. It tells the kind of man, the quality of man, that he is honest. Understood? So the word honest answers your question. That is why that honest is adjective here. Understood everyone? So in short we can say adjectives of quality answers the question of what kind. जब हमारे क्वेश्चन का आंसर या क्वेश्चन हमारा हो ऑफ व्हाट काइंड एंड वी गेट द आंसर, सो द आंसर विल बी एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वालिटी. As I told you, Calcutta is a large city. So which kind of city or what kind of city? Large. So large, the word large is adjective of quality. Understood? I think it is clear. Now, second one is adjectives of quantity. Adjectives of quantity. Or first, you can look at your book. We can have more examples here. Read these sentences. Hamid was a great soldier. So the word great describes the soldier. Understood? So it describes the quality of a soldier, that he is great. Hamid is great. So it is adjective of quality. Second is Mumbai is a big city. So the word big describes about the city, the quality of the city. So the word big is adjective of quality here. The word great is an adjective which tells what kind of soldier Hamid was. The word big is an adjective which tells what kind of city Mumbai is. Okay, so adjectives of quality answer the question. Again I'm repeating, of what kind. Understood? Then you will have one exercise over there. Exercise number 1. Here what you need to do, underline the adjectives of quality in the following sentences. Now see, whatever I explained you, listen it twice and try to underline the adjective of quality from exercise 1, and we'll be discussing about that exercise in our next video. And today I told you about adjective of quality only. In our next video I'll tell you about the adjective of quantity, demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjective, possessive adjective. Okay, thank you.